Jump Out TV production, viewers and subscribers, back with a hot new video. Another one. People, in today's video, we want to talk about Prime Minister Andrew Holness, aka Brogard. Also, we want to talk about leader of the opposition, Mark Golden, Marky G. Marky G exposed Andrew Holness in the wickedest way. Because right now, people, the thing we are going in Jamaica with Hurricane Melissa, a whole heap of politics, a going, and anything with money involved in corruption, I got did it. So we want everything to be as transparent as possible. Them two leaders need to come together and work together. This not have nothing to do with labor right or JLP. This not have nothing to do with leader, the opposition or the prime minister. This have to do with Jamaica. The two of them need to come together and work as one. Marky G I say, all of the member of parliament them need resources where them can go out in a them community and get different people for work, get different contractors for work where them can help build, clean up and develop back them community so Jamaica can develop. Andrew Holness can't do this by himself. He need everybody we are part of the government to help. Andrew Holness alone is not the government. JLP alone is not the government. And the two party come together the government. So they need to put certain resources in the member of parliament them hand where them can get them councillor and other people in the community for work. See, enough aid are coming, enough resources are coming, enough donation are coming. We need to put them money there, resources in the people them hand where them can go out there to get people for help. Marky G also talk about the same thing with Jump Out TV production talk about for use up the hotel them were available, use them up. Yes, we have people are coming from a certain country where help them are gonna need places stay, but we have whole heap of hotel in a Jamaica, we have whole heap of guest house in a Jamaica. Lose up the school them. Nobody no care about education right now. Education they on pause. Building back Jamaica, helping people who are disabled, helping people who have medical condition, helping kids, helping babies, pregnant woman, them thing there, the elderly, right now that are the main objective. Education can start over at some point in time. Saying so at the end of the day, helping the people and give them the proper medical health and treatment where them need right now is the main objective. Enough of the people them out there homeless and don't have nowhere to stay. Yes, them want food, yes, them want water, but at the same time, them need place to lay them head. And Marky G I said the same thing with Jump Out TV production and other people I say use up the hotel them were available and work out a price with them and collect everybody information. Do all no have to do this with the hotel. Use up his school them. Use up the national stadium. The national stadium can hold over 35,000 people. Use up the stadium as well. Use up the Trelawney Stadium. Use up the National Arena. All of the place them where you have some football pitch, Jerry Park and all of them place there. We need to activate all of them thing there. At the end of the day, the people them no have nowhere to sleep. Them no have no toilet. Them no have nowhere to bed. The people them out there in some nasty things. Cause remember say the hurricane come and root up some cemetery, root up some house, toilet, all of that sewage and all of them things they out there in the mud, in the water. With the people them that no healthy, that no safe, a whole heap of germs can start go rampant out there we can start have cholera and all of them thing, the mosquito there all over the place and all type of disease and all type of ringworm and all type of outbreak. So we need to help the people them. Take them out of the zone where them there and have an area with a whole bunch of tent where you can put the people them in the national stadium, can hold some whole heap of tent in the national stadium, have a big car park. The car park at national stadium can hold about 40,000 people. We don't want no man fi out there agreed people and I talk to the people them look good in a jacket and suit and then you left gone back at your yard and the people them still out there struggle. Yes, the people them want hear from the Prime Minister, but also them want hear, them can hear from the member of parliament and other council. Activate everybody, give everybody them resources, and the next thing a whole heap of thugs, bad man and gangster out there are run up and down right now. We need the JDF right across Jamaica, soldier, everybody activate right now a state of emergency. The man them a soldier, so the man ya supposed to build and train for situation like a this, emergency like a this. Every police activate, every reserve activate, cause the bad man them out there a rob people. The little man them out there thief, them out there scam, them a do everything. So the people them need to feel safe and know say every area have police, every area have soldier. The whole country is in a state of emergency right now. And enough people feel like say whole heap of aid that come in. Enough people feel like as if say the Prime Minister a drag him foot and the whole thing and we are going with Jamaica shaky. At the end of the day, we know say things take time. But this is not the first hurricane hit Jamaica. Boreal hit last year. We did have Ivan, a whole heap of hurricane. So the more that should have planned and put them things together and have experience. But the Prime Minister need to listen to Mark Golden as well, because if Mark Golden did win the election and him would have be the Prime Minister and Andrew Holness would have be the leader of the opposition. So if this did happen and Marky G or the Prime Minister, Andrew Holness would have so much to say about Marky G. He would have so much to say when Marky G are the wrong and when Marky G are the right. So now at the same time put yourself in a man foot on shoes on work together. Enough people out there as dirty thinking labor right. This is not the time for politics. This is not the time for be labor right or PNP. Now we're supposed to be pro Jamaica. This is all about Jamaican frig politics. Fling politics to the side. We don't want to hear nothing about no politics. This is Jamaica. We don't want to hear nothing about no green party or no orange party. We don't want to hear nothing about no Mark Golden or Andrew Holness. We want to hear about Jamaica. Everybody I work together as one. Everybody on the same team. Just like when you have reggae boys, the whole of them are rep Jamaica. When you have the track and field team, everybody are rep Jamaica. So now we need for rep Jamaica. When you hear people talk about attack out, it's not about politics, it's about Jamaica and the people them in a Westmoreland under pressure. The people them in a Westmoreland need help. Everything when me hear about St. Elizabeth. Westmoreland is actually ground zero. And that's how the eye hit. So Westmoreland get affected way worse than St. Elizabeth. And you tell me say the hurricane happened from last week. And you don't have no bulldozer, and you don't have no tractor, and you don't have no helicopter we can go over there so and go in Westmoreland. Enough people in a Westmoreland are link me in my comment section and I make Jump Out TV production know say I'll know them not see no member of parliament, I'll know they not see none of the relevant authorities, I'll know them not get no aid. The people them say them not hate pan St. Elizabeth cause them know say St. Elizabeth get affected wicked, but all the people them a say member Westmoreland. Remember Westmoreland, people in a Westmoreland need help. People over the side there need help as well. We cannot put the whole of the resources alone in a St. Elizabeth. The resources need figure right across Jamaica. One more thing where Marky G say makes sense. The GCT where them a put power when you want to clear your item and them custom feed, all of them thing they need to push to the side. The taxes them wanna tax people where send stuff got Jamaica fuckery. Every one I deal with. See, the 1 month now go make. You need a whole more time. Me think the whole of 2026. No taxes. Cause you know get crazy donation from people. Right now we need to rebuild the country. I don't know if you understand. Enough people over America get paid every 2 weeks or month end. And people still have bills to pay. People still have to pay them bills. And then they go look Delco. Them all look generator. Them all pop barrel. And all of that. I don't know. Tell me say 1 month. You know I say yo. Them not have to worry about no taxes for 1 month. No, we need it for the rest of the year, yeah, and next year. You are the Prime Minister, enough donation are come in. Use it how you feel use it in a them field. But right now you need to suspend that till Jamaica at least build back. With Jamaica now go build back in a 1 month or a year. It all take time, but give the people them overseas a chance. We want to help them people. It already rough over here. It already tough over here. Enough people now have no SNAP benefit. Enough people over here now go get food stamp. Enough people now go get Section 8 again. It rough in the United States. A crazy people are lose them job. A crazy people out of job right now. A crazy people want to help them family back at Jamaica. So at least for 2026, no GCT, no taxes, free up all of them thing there so people can get to send stuff at Jamaica. If we are sending down trains, free it up, food, free it up, Delco generator, all of them thing there, no taxes, no GCT, pan them thing there, free up them thing there, cause we have to help build back Jamaica, and people overseas willing to help, but we have to remove them taxes there, cause enough time we try to send stuff got Jamaica to help out with people, and because of the GCT, because of the taxes and all of that, to clear your things them a waft. Enough people don't want to send back things go Jamaica. So me like when Mark Golding I said this, so, and this is not about PNP or JLP, this is about Jamaica. Free it up where people them can send stuff the whole of 2026 go help them family and a Jamaica. And I like it's not a car. Seeing the people them are sending food, clothes needed, chainsaw needed, Delco needed, batteries needed, all type of supply were good for hurricane before and after hit the people them I try send down. So take off the GCT and the tax off of them thing there. So me like when Marky G I say on a need to find an area where you can put the people them so you can feed them, take care of them and give them the proper health care. You know, make sense. You go give a man some food and then him have to walk around in a house with mud and water and piss. So my man them not know where to go toilet. Them not know where to defecate. And people walk around in a defecation. Plus enough people over there dead. Enough people over there lose them life and them body a stink. Body a deteriorate and all of them thing there right now. And people have to live amongst them thing there. Enough people wash out of the cemetery, enough body and coffin and them thing they wash out, enough fowl dead, enough chicken dead, dog dead, goat dead, all of them thing the people can survive in a them humane condition there. At some point in time a peer disease and outbreak I got did it so we will cause a pandemic in the country. So at the end of the day, we need to take care of that. Find a destination where you can put the people in an area and help them and take care of them, and they can get the proper treatment. Use up the stadium, use up the national arena, use up the stadium car park, use up all the school them, so them people can have place to take a shower, use toilet and sleep, and make sure every area have police, make sure the soldier them there in every area. People, me not defend politics, me not defend Jamaica. Two party need to come together, work as one. Andrew need to get some funds when give to everybody so them can go out there and do work in a them community. See him? Together we strong, divided we fall. Jump Out TV production, like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.